To my channel. This is Mina Fatma speaking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun and easy program on Scratch. So let's get started. First we're gonna choose our background. For this program, let's go to patterns and choose a background something like this. Let's go to the events area and click on and drag the when green flag clicked block, and then let's go to the motions category and select this block, point in direction 9. Then go to the controls category and take the forever block. Go to the motions category again and take these two blocks. Add them together and over here write 180 degrees, and over here write, just leave it as 50. It will just move in circles, but it will move so fast that you can't even see it moving in circles. So then we will go into the controls category again and take this block and change it to 0.2 seconds. 0.2. And then we're gonna go to the looks category and take the change color effect block by 25. This will let the character move in circles and change its color effect by 25. And you can see it moving in circles easily by this weight block. Let's test it out now. It works perfect. So whenever you start this project again, it will point in direction 90, then it will go in the circle, and then it will change its color effect. This is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. And you can even make this size bigger by zooming it in. It will look even more cool. And this is the end.